welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. I do Dollar Tree DIYs and farmhouse trash to treasures on this channel. Everything is budget friendly. Those are my two favorite kind of videos to make. I have some really fun collabs coming up, so please stay tuned for those. But today is just a quick announcement of the winner of the Arteza graphite paper. I have worked with this company for quite a while now. I absolutely love their products, and they've been amazing to work with. They've been so kind to me. Every single correspondence that I've had with them has been just amazing. Such a great experience. So I highly recommend all of their products. I have never used anything that I don't love. And so the winner is... Lynn Gwilt. I hope I'm saying that correct. Congratulations. Please email me your mailing address and I will get back to you. So congratulations to you. Thank you so much for entering. My email address is in the description box below. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Also, my garden. I'm so excited to share my garden with you. If I knew that enough people were interested, not like I'm an expert by any means at all, but if I knew enough people were interested, I would do whole videos of just gardening. But I don't think a lot of you would watch because you're here for DIYs and trash to treasures. But let me know. Again, I would love your feedback. I like to include that stuff at the very end of my videos so that if you're just here for the DIYs or the trash to treasures, you can watch those and then click off if you're not interested in my personal life or things that I'm doing around my home. But if you are, let me know, and if enough of you are interested, I could try to make a video like sharing when I start planting my garden and stuff like that. I love gardening. I plant flowers, and if you go back and look at my older videos, well, I don't know if I want you to go back and look at my older videos, but I did share my garden last year and it was a lot of fun. So anyway, if you're interested, I will share some of that definitely, and I love you guys. I hope you're all staying happy, staying healthy, and staying safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys. No. Stay. This is my little cat. She's gonna jump down. Ah.
Yay! Lost again, going back around. Dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of